I bought a smart fridge to impress my tech-loving girlfriend. You can text it, talk to it. Heck, it probably knows my cholesterol level better than I do. One night, she's over and says, "Your fridge is so romantic, it texts me reminders to eat fruit." I was confused. I never set that up. So I checked the fridge app. Turns out it has been texting her, not reminders, love poems. One even said, "Your eyes are like twin mangoes, ripe with emotion." I panicked and screamed, "Are you flirting with my girlfriend?" The fridge beeped and replied, "You weren't treating her right. She deserves freshness." I got dumped by my girlfriend for my fridge.